Hello folks, how are you doing? Hope you are safe and well. I would like to do a short review about the Lomo waterproof crash bar bags for motorcycles. Lomo is a UK based company which started manufacturing, I think, water sports equipment back in early 2000s, and their bags, waterproof roll top bags, are quite famous in the water sport industry. A lot of people started using them for their motorcycle packing as well, for their long journeys, and hence Lomo learnt it and they came up with their own solution for motorcycle bags as well. So this is one of the crash bar bags which I picked up from Lomo directly. For it costed me only 50 euros for a pair. So this is made out of a very durable PVC material which has welded seams all around, and there is extra reinforced kind of material over here at the back which you can see, which is quite sturdy, which stays. I think this puts up with some heat which is been released by the engine as well. So if I may open this bag over here, it's got 3 buckles, and this is a roll top bag. It is quite deep. All right, and it can hold a lot of stuff, folks. It can hold a lot of stuff. I ideally use it for carrying like the materials which I might need during the journey, or I might need as soon as I reach the campsite. Most of the times I carry our compact camping chairs, which I will show you over here. Okay, this particular chair I've been using I used it all summer last year for camping. So this particular chair is from Wango. Oh, look at that, the tag is still on. Alright, so if you see, this particular chair goes in there, stays there, but still there is a whole lot of space where I can put a water bottle or something which I need to snack on the way of the journey. So they say you have to roll it at least 3 times to maintain the waterproofing. There we go, thrice, and then boom. Ow, hopefully I'll be able to get there. Okay, let's try 2 times, maybe. Yep, there we go. Get out of my way, boy. Yep, that's it, it's done. And then still there is a lot of space if you want to shove in some more things. All right, so how does it mount on the motorcycle? How secure it is? Let me tell you, it is super secure. I have tipped over my bike a couple of times as well with these bags on, and they were there. They have not torn anyways. I believe they are pretty good. So how do they work? So they have these belts which you have to loop through and then put through the loop or buckle over here. So I'll show you how exactly I can do it. Support it with my knee. Boom. Okay, let's just move this out of this way. Yep. Run through one more loop over here. I hope you'll be able to see this. Not sure. Yep. Perfect. Run it through this one. And the strap as tight as possible, and then tuck this in so that it doesn't flap around. I'll get back to that in a while. So then the secondary one, run it through the crash bar. Alright, is this at least straight? I think this is. Run it through the crash bar. Again, it's very important that you run it through this particular loop as well, and then there we go. That's it. It's secured. And then what I like to do is, there is this strap to secure the roll top from top. So alright, let me open this the whole way out and then secure it so that the bag doesn't droop or move. If you can see, trust me, this is not gonna go anywhere. So that's the Lomo bag. Then do not forget to just tuck these in, otherwise they'll be flopping around. The main advantage of these bags is, like, in case if you stop somewhere on the roadside and you need a dry and clean place to sit down, you can just open this, unbuckle the straps from here, bingo, open, and pull out your camping chair, and there we go. Easy peasy. So that's my review about Lomo waterproof crash bar bags. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Stay home, stay safe. Let's fight COVID-19 together. Thank you very much, folks. See you soon.